So my motivation to start the business, well, I've always wanted to be my own boss. I always wanted to work for myself anyway. Going to university, studying a business degree also helped stem that motivation as well, and led me to kind of birth the business.
So the motivation came from starting the Enterprise Hive and BC program. They were a massive help in motivating me and encouraging me and reassuring me on my business idea and enabling me to follow on the steps on how to start and register my business. And also my family and friends were a massive help in believing in me and helping me set up and pushing me. Yes, the new year is the right time to start a business. However, any time in the new year is the right time to start because it's good to actually set up your business goals in the new year, which motivates you to carry that out in the new year. However, like for me, I'm planning to launch my product next year, so that's a business goal of mine. So yeah, I believe it is the right time.
I think any time is the right time to start a new business. However, the new year is a good time to start a business because in the new year a lot of people have New Year's resolutions, and some people's resolutions might be to start a new business, and the reason why they want to do it in the new year is because it's they'll be starting a new and a fresh business and they want to do it in a new and a fresh year. So I think the new year would be a good time to start a business, but any time is the right time really. Some tricks that I'd give to students starting a business. Well, I go by the 3 P's, planning, preparing and persevering. Definitely plan. Start with a business plan first and foremost. A business plan will allow you to oversee any future goals that you might have. It's a good way to structure your business in terms of every aspect of the business, your department, your concept, being true to your business ethics and things like that. Definitely prepare in terms of making sure that your branding is solid, making sure you have a good logo, even drafting up a cash flow, profit and loss, because you need to make sure that you're making money as well, which is another thing. Your advertising, marketing, and also social media marketing is everyone's on social media, Facebook, Instagram, you name it, a lot. So definitely prepare and persevere. Once you've started it and you've got your logo and you've got your finances set, continue with it. Don't fail. Life's about taking risks, and just keep going, because if you keep going, eventually things will go right for you and you will succeed. So just continue and keep at whatever it is that you want to do.
Have a planner, because I have one myself and I list everything each day on what I need to do for my business. So when I do complete it, I tick it off, and that in my mind I know I've done something to help progress my business. Each task I list, it's helping my business grow each day and become what I vision. And setting your own business goals, short term, long term, that's really important, because you're looking to the future and you're looking to now of what you need to do to make, what steps you need to achieve to make your business get there or make it happen. So I think that's really important, to meet new people who are in the same position as them, people who are looking to start up their own business, or they have a business and they could offer you guidance along your journey, and you could obviously network and build that in a circle of businesses that would help you. Also, I would advise you to have a business mentor. If you don't have one, definitely have one, someone who could advise you if you're having trouble making business decisions, someone who's been there already and done that. So I would definitely advise you in having a mentor. If I was to start all over again, I'd do it differently by attending more networking events, meeting new people, connecting with other businesses more. Take some time out. I think that's really important, because I feel like starting up your business can be really stressful, and being able to just take some time off, and because you need that patience, because sometimes it's not good to rush decisions, and things are going to take time when you have a business. So I think just taking time out is really important.
I would probably start a little bit smaller. So maybe, because now as time's progressed and I'm actually running the business, I'm actually thinking to maybe get a premises. I know it's kind of a luxury home and mobile. Obviously I don't want to lose the original concept and nature of the business. But sometimes, I mean, I know a lot of beauty therapists can relate that sometimes the mobile side of beauty can get a bit tricky because you've got so much stuff to carry. So maybe just trying to make things a bit easier if I do continue with that, and maybe look into a premises. So maybe I could have just started at home, and then maybe the next step would have made it into a mobile business. So probably just narrowing it down and making it a tiny bit smaller, and then probably growing it that way, because it is baby steps to take. But you can't run before you can walk, put it that way, do you know what I mean? So yeah.